G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today is March 20, 2023. This is the nat gas price update. Quick update and just a minor change from the last update. We did have this, on the hourly chart, we did have this support line drawn, and we did say it broke through on the downside of that, so that was more bearishness in our indicators. You'll notice on the CCI 1500, the CCI also broke through the moving average, and the moving average likewise is trending down as well. On the daily chart, we're in a pretty strong decline still. If you notice here, we're stuck in this range between this support resistance area, which is those red and blue lines on the hourly, but also importantly, we're also between these two diagonal descending and ascending trend lines. That bottom blue line there is a slightly ascending trend line. If I zoom out like that, you can see that ascending trend line more clearly as opposed to that horizontal line. Anyway, we're basically still broken through that horizontal blue line, which is closest seen on this one here. And our next level of support, which is actually being forming as we speak in the early stages, is this dotted line, this dotted blue line, which will be our key support. Once that forms in the next few hours or next probably day or so, we're going to move that solid blue line down to that level to be our next level of key support. At the moment, it's just eventually just slightly creating that as a support level of a potential reversal. I wouldn't be going long, but in terms of trading, I'd suggest short trades only. You can see here, always trade in the direction of the larger time frame, and here we're looking at the CCI in a pretty strong decline still. And if it does break through that bottom diagonal trend line, it's going to be further declines to the downside, and that's represented by this dotted line here. Also, I've included these fractals. So again, if you're trading this, take again the direction of the larger time frame, the daily. In this case, we're going short. So you would have gone short on that bearish bar there, and your exit strategy would be, whatever suits you, whether it's a percentage gain or a monetary gain, or whether it be a moving average change of direction. That's up to you. I'll leave you to that in terms of your risk profile. But in terms of our trading strategy, that's where we're looking at taking short trades only as an example. So in the coming probably hours or even days, I'm going to move that support area to that dotted line and replace that one. And we've also moved that key resistance from that top there where it was at the 30.50 level. We've now moved it down to about the 27.37 level as a resistance. So at the moment, to understand how to properly trade using the average down approach, reference the links in the description below. Subscribe and like the channel, and we'll see you in a future video.